Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking GE washing machines. We're going to show you the proper and safe way to remove that front panel. Let's get started. All right, DIYers, in front of us is our GE washer and dryer, and we are going to show you how to remove that front panel right there. Before anything, safety first always, go ahead and unplug your machine from the outlet. Carefully set that. We're not going to trip over it. And the very next step is very important. See this little gap or slot in between this top panel and lower panel or front panel? You want to get yourself a tool. In most cases, people will use a scraper or a putty knife. Whatever you use, make sure it is thin enough to slide conveniently into that slot, because there are actual tension tabs in here that you are going to release. And yep, that's what I'm going to use. I don't have an actual paint scraper or a putty knife on hand at the moment. Go ahead and find where the tabs are, and in most cases they're about 1.5 inches to 2 inches from the edge, and you will see them. And there's ours right there. And just by pushing this in, you'll notice it will pop the front panel out of its connection. Just like that. As you can see, slide over to the other one, and it is released. Carefully remove it, and inside down at the very bottom are tabs that stick up, and we have found what we're looking for. I'm going to carefully shift this up and off, set that aside, and here it is. We were looking for this mock and these two socks, and now's a good time to spend a couple minutes and vacuum this entire portion out here. Alright, DIYers, spent a couple minutes and vacuumed out the entire inner base of the washing machine. I also looked for any additional clothes items, and I didn't find any. From here, what we're going to do is rest this panel back in place. On the very bottom, you've got 2 slots and 2 tabs. Just carefully lift this up in place and onto those at the very bottom, as shown here. And these little slots right here, one on the right hand side, one on the left, all you're going to do is align these, press in until it clicks. Just like that. Verify once again the panel is secured. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. And I want to talk about the main cause, or most common cause, of why this takes place. The gap in between these machines, where the bowl is separated from the upper shell, is pretty large, and that's by design, so the bowl has room to move during the cycle. And what a lot of people run into is, as they pull their clothes out of the washing machine to put them in the dryer, some clothes items can fall in between that gap right in here and down into the base of the machine. So just be careful as you put clothes in and pull clothes out and up into the dryer. However, as you can see, in the event that you drop anything in there, you see how easy and friendly it is to get that front panel off. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. Just added some decorations yesterday.